Okay, so Instagram just released some new exciting features to the app, and in this video we are going to talk all about it. And I will show you guys how you can use these features yourself. So without wasting any time, let's go. So, Instagram just launched its new short video feature called Reels in India. Now, this feature will let you create short videos on the app, and you can add some creative effects to it and music of your choice, and you can share them beyond your regular followers. Now, the VP of product Facebook said that this came after the realization that 45% videos on Instagram are 15 seconds or less, and we users don't just want them to share on our stories. We want them to stick for a longer period of time and share it beyond our regular followers. Now, this feature is not yet an official feature. It is still in the testing phase, and India is the fourth country where this feature is being tested after Brazil, Germany and France. Reels feature is being added to Instagram camera just like Boomerang and many others. After recording a reel, you can simply select where you want to share this video. Unlike Instagram stories, users can select to share their reels on the explore page and share it with everyone on the platform. Reels also come with various AR effects for users to add in their videos in order to make it more unique. Multiple reels can be recorded at once, and different effects can be added to each one of them. Now, reels can also be reviewed, deleted or re-recorded if necessary, and users can also have this option of use audio, where they can use the original audio from someone else's reel and use it in their own reel. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can create reels for yourself. But first of all, make sure you have this feature in your app, and if you don't, just update your app from the Play Store, and if that doesn't work, you can just reinstall it from your Play Store and that should work. Now, once inside the app, open Instagram camera, and you will notice that the user interface has also changed. At the bottom you have only 3 options now, that is your live, your story and your Instagram reels, and the rest of the features have been moved to the side. So for reels, select reels at the bottom of Instagram camera, click on audio option and select the music that you want to use. You can add AR effects to make your reel interesting and different from others, and also set the timer to record any part of your clip hands-free. And there is also an option to speed up or slow down the part of video or audio that you want. Also, you can select and upload any pre-made video that you have on your smartphone. And that's it. Once you are done, you can add caption and hashtags. Also the cover for your reel, which you can even select from your gallery. And you can select where you want to share this reel. Now, other than reels, Instagram also added this new feature, which is pinning your comments. Using this feature, you will be able to pin any 3 comments on the top of your comment section. Now, this is designed to allow creators to set a tone of their comment section. You can simply highlight the positive comments on the top or select comments from famous people and show it off to your followers. Now, to do this, you simply have to go to the comments, tap and hold on the comment that you want to pin and select this pin option and tap pin comment. Instagram has spent the last few years trying to improve its tool to combat harassment, bullying and misinformation on the platform, and pin comments is just an addition to that. And I think using this feature will let Instagram creators manage their profiles a bit better. Now, coming back to Instagram Reels, I know what you all are thinking. And yes, you are right, it is an alternative for TikTok, which got recently banned in India. And frankly, I think it is a good thing, because TikTok creators now have another platform to share their videos. I just hope that people will use this in a creative way other than just posting videos of themselves walking in slow motion with cheeky music in the background. Now, what do you think? Do you think it is a good feature, or Instagram was better without it? And what do you think about the pin comments? And do you think Instagram needs to add some more features? Whatever it is, do let me know in the comments and I will surely check them out. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss another video from my side. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.